In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set a default lens on your iPhone's camera. On an iPhone Pro versions, we got 3 lenses here, and now I'm gonna show you how we can easily select default one. Just be sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off head over to settings and then scroll down until you find camera. Then get into it and scroll down one more time until you find main camera. That's where we can select which lenses we would like to use. Let's say we can turn on or off 28mm lens or 35mm. In that way, I prefer to have all these lenses turned on, and down below here we can choose the default one. By default, the first option is selected. It is 24mm, which equals 1x zoom. However, we can switch it to 1.2x, that equals 24mm, or 1.5x, that equals 35mm. That's where we can select any of them, and once you select any option, you can open up Camera app. And now guys, let me show you how to use it, how we can easily switch between that lenses. Basically, down below here, by default it is showing 1x. However, we can easily, by tapping at the same button that is currently active, we can switch to 1.2x or 28mm, and also that's where we can change to 35mm, that equals 1.5x. And that's where we can change the default lens for that mode. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.